In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy a domain on GoDaddy step by step so you know exactly what to expect from the moment you land on the website to the moment your domain is in your cart and ready to go. First, open your web browser and go to godaddy.com. On the homepage, you'll see a large search bar front and center. This is where you'll start your domain search. Click inside that main search bar and type in the name you're interested in. This could be your business name, a personal brand, or any idea you want to turn into a website address. As you type, try to keep your domain name simple, easy to spell, and easy to remember. You don't need to add www or http here, just the name itself, along with the extension if you already have one in mind, like .com or .net. If you're not sure about the extension, you can simply type the name and let GoDaddy show you what's available. Once you've typed in your desired domain name, press enter or click the search button next to the bar. GoDaddy will then check whether that exact name is available. This might take a moment and then you'll see the results page. Here you'll see if your exact domain is available along with a price. If it's available and you like it, that's great. Take a second to confirm that everything looks right. Check the spelling, the extension, and make sure it matches what you had in mind. You may also see suggestions for similar domains or different extensions. These can be useful if your first choice is taken or if you want to secure multiple variations of your name. When you find a domain name you're happy with, look for the option to add it to your cart. This is usually a clear button next to the domain listing. Click Add to Cart. After you click this, GoDaddy may show you additional offers like privacy protection, email services, or hosting. These can be helpful, but they are optional. Take a moment to quickly review them and decide if you need them right now. If you're unsure, you can skip most extras and come back to them later. Once your domain is in the cart and you're ready to move forward, proceed to checkout. You'll usually see a cart icon at the top of the page. Click that to review your order. On the checkout page, double check the domain name, the extension, the registration period, and any add-ons that may have been included. Make sure the length of registration, such as 1 year or more, matches what you want. From here, you can continue through the normal checkout process on GoDaddy by following the prompts on the screen. And that's all you need to do to get your domain selected and ready for purchase on GoDaddy.